Namaste everyone, this is MSc second semester class of physical chemistry and the topic is Raoult's law. Raoult's law states that the vapor pressure of a solvent above a solution is equal to the vapor pressure of the pure solvent at the same temperature scaled by the mole fraction of the solvent present. So P solution is equals to psi solvent plus into P0 solvent. In 1880s, French chemist Marie Raoult discovered that when a substance is dissolved in a solution, the vapor pressure of the solution will generally decrease. This observation depends on two variables. First is mole fraction of the amount of dissolved solute present and the original vapor pressure. At any given temperature for a particular solid or liquid, there is a pressure at which the vapor formed above the substance is in dynamic equilibrium with its liquid or solid form. This is the vapor pressure of the substance at that temperature. At equilibrium, the rate at which the solid or liquid evaporates is equal to the rate that the gas is condensing back to its original form. All solids and liquids have a vapor pressure, and this pressure is constant regardless to how much of substance is present. You will find that adding a solute vapor pressure because of additional solute particles will fit the gap between the solvent particles and takes up space. This means less of solvent will be on the surface and less will be able to break free to enter the gas phase, resulting in lower vapor pressure. So we discussed in previous about the colligative properties of solvent. Now we'll discuss the limitations of Raoult's law. First is ideal solution satisfied Raoult's law, the solution in the last diagram we can see here. So second limitations of this rule is above would not actually obey Raoult's law. It is far too concentrated but was drawn so concentrated to emphasize the point. Third is in an ideal solution it takes exactly the same amount of energy for a solvent molecule to break away from the surface of the solution as it did in the pure solvent. The force of attraction between solvent and solute are exactly the same as between the original solvent molecules, not a very likely events. Suppose that in the pure solvent, 1 in 1000 molecules had enough energy to overcome the intermolecular forces and break away from the surface in any given time. In an ideal solution, that would still be exactly the same proportion. Of course, break away. There are now fewer solvents molecules on the surface, but of those that are on the surface, the same proportion will break away. If there were strong solvent solute attractions, this proportion may be reduced in 1 in 2000 and 1 in 5000 or whatever. So this is about Raoult's law. Thank you so much.